What the right time to buy and sell cryptocurrencies? There is no definitive answer to the best time to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, as the prices are influenced by many factors, such as supply and demand, market sentiment, news events, regulations, and technical analysis. However, some experts and analysts have suggested some general patterns and trends that may help investors make better decisions. According to some sources, the best time of day to buy cryptocurrency is early in the morning before the New York Stock Exchange opens, as the values tend to rise as the day goes on. This may be due to the increased activity and liquidity in the global markets during this time. Conversely, the best time of day to sell cryptocurrency may be in the evening or at night, when the prices tend to drop or stabilize. Another factor to consider is the day of the week. Based on historical data, the best day of the week to buy cryptocurrency seems to be Tuesday, followed closely by Thursday and Saturday. These days may offer lower prices and higher volatility, which can create more opportunities for traders. On the other hand, the worst days of the week to buy cryptocurrency may be Sunday and Monday, as these days tend to have higher prices and lower volatility. Finally, the best time of the month to buy cryptocurrency may also vary depending on the market conditions. For example, some sources suggest that the best time of the month to buy is typically near the end of the month, as values tend to rise in the first 10 days, followed by a price collapse during the second half of the month. However, this pattern may not hold for every month or every cryptocurrency. Ultimately, the best time to buy and sell cryptocurrency depends on your own goals, risk appetite, and strategy. You should always do your own research and analysis before making any investment decisions. Cryptocurrency is a volatile and unpredictable asset class that can change rapidly and unexpectedly. Therefore, you should never invest more than you can afford to lose and always be prepared for any outcome.